Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we're going to learn to knit this stitch pattern for your blanket, for your baby's blanket. This is how it looks like. See, you can make it bigger than this. See, wrong side looks like this. So this is 18 rows repeat pattern, and you need to cast in multiples of 10 and plus 5 extra stitches and plus 10 edge stitches. Multiples of 10, here we have 5 stitches and here 5 stitches. Multiples of 10, 10, 10 and plus 5 extra stitches here, and then 10 edge stitches, 5 edge stitches here and 5 edge stitches here. Right, so let's begin. For the demonstration I have 35 stitches on my needle, which is 10 plus 10 20 and plus 5 extra stitches 25 and plus 10 edge stitches 35. And here I have done 8 rows of knit stitches, and now this is our border. We have finished our border. I have knitted 8 rows of knit stitches, and now for after this border, now I'm gonna knit base row here. So for the base row, now we're gonna knit 5 stitches for edge, slip the first stitch and then knit 5 2 knit 4 2 3 4. Now we have 5 stitches here. This is our edge stitches, right? We have finished our edge stitches, and now start the repeat. This is our base row. After these 5 stitches, you purl all these stitches and you knit these last 5 stitches for your edge, right? So purl all these stitches until you have your last 5 stitches. This is our base row, and you're going to knit this row only one time for this entire pattern. So now we have last 5 edge stitches, 3 5. For these 5 stitches you knit 5 1 2 3 4 5, and now start the pattern, actual pattern from here. So for row 1, you slip your first edge stitch and then knit 4 1 2 3 4. We have finished our edge stitches, these edge stitches, and now we're going to start these parts. So after your edge stitches, now start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, you purl 1 and knit 1 below 2 times. We have done 1 time, we're going to do 1 more time. Purl 1 and knit 1 below. We have done purl 1 and knit 1 below 2 times, 1 2, and then we're going to do 1 more purl 1. See, we have done 5 stitches here. Purl 1, knit 1 below, purl 1, knit 1 below, and purl 1. And now for next 5 stitches, purl 5 1 2 3 4 5. That's the repeat pattern. from here to here, these 10 stitches. For repeat pattern, we have done purl 1, knit 1 below, purl 1, knit 1 below, purl 1, and then purl 5, 2, 4, 5. This is the repeat pattern, and you're gonna repeat this repeat pattern for however many repeat stitches you have. We have one more repeat, so I'm gonna repeat that one more time. Again, purl 1 and knit 1 below 2 times, purl 1, knit 1 below 1, purl 1, knit 1 below 2, and we have one more stitch, and for next stitch you purl 1. We have done 5 stitches here, and for next 5 stitches purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have done 2 repeats here, and we have finished our all repeats. If you have more repeats, you repeat that first, and after you finish your all repeats, at last you will have 10 stitches left on your left hand needle. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Now for these 10 stitches, you knit this part here at last, right? So for these 10 stitches, you purl 1, knit 1 below 2 times, purl 1, knit 1 below 1, purl 1, knit 1 below 2, and then purl 1, right? So, and now your last 5 edge stitches, knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have finished our row 1, row 2. For row 2, you knit these 5 stitches, 5 edge stitches, slip the first stitch, and then knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, you knit 1 below, purl 1 2 times, knit 1 below, purl 1, 1, knit 1 below, purl 1, 2, and then you're gonna do one more knit 1 below. We have done 5 stitches here, 3, knit 1 below, purl 1, knit 1 below, purl 1, and knit 1, 5 stitches, and next 5 stitches we're gonna purl 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the repeat pattern from here to here. For repeat pattern, we have done knit 1 below, purl 1 2 times, 1, 2, and knit 1 below and purl 5. Again, knit 1 below, purl 1 2 times, knit 1 below, purl 1, 1, knit 1 below, purl 1, 2, and knit 1 below, and purl 5, 1, oops, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have finished our all repeats, and after you finish your all repeats, for your last 10 stitches, knit 1 below, purl 1 2 times, knit 1 below, purl 1, 1, knit 1 below, purl 1, 2, and then knit 1 below, and knit your last 5 edge stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have done row 1 and row 2 here. See, we have finished our row 1 and row 2. Now you repeat these 2 rows, your row 1 and row 2, 3 more times. right? So I'm gonna repeat these 2 rows 3 more times and then I'll come back. So we are done repeating our row 1 and row 2 3 more times here, and we have finished row 8 here. See, we have finished 8 rows here. And now for row 9, you need all stitches. Row 10, for row 10 you need these 5 edge stitches and purl all these stitches and knit these 5 edge stitches. Slip the first stitch and then knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stitches and then purl all these stitches. And we have last 5 edge stitches. Knit these 5 edge stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have finished row 10 here, and now on row 11 we're gonna knit these parts here and these parts here, right? So we're gonna knit these parts here, here, and these parts here, here, right? Sorry, these parts here, here, and here. So row 11, for row 11 slip your first edge stitch and knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have finished our edge stitches and then start the repeat from here. So now we're gonna knit these parts here. So we're gonna purl these 5 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here we're gonna knit this part here. So we're gonna do purl 1, knit 1 below 2 times, 1, 2, and purl 1. Purl 1, knit 1 below, one more time, purl 1, knit 1 below, and purl 1. That's the repeat pattern from here to here. For repeat pattern we have done purl 5, 2, 4, 5, and then purl 1, knit 1 below 1, purl 1, knit 1 below 2, and purl 1. This is the repeat pattern. We have one more repeat that again. Purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and for next 5 stitches purl 1, knit 1 below 2 times, 1, purl 1, knit 1 below 2, and then purl 1. So we have done 2 repeats here, and after you finish your all repeats, for last 10 stitches 2 4 5 2 4 5. For last 10 stitches you purl 5, 1 2 3 4 5, and knit your last 5 edge stitches. 1 2 3 4 5. Row 12. For row 12, slip your first edge stitch and then knit 4 edge stitches. 1 2 3 4, and then start the repeat. For repeat pattern, you purl 5, 1 2 3 4 5, and then for these 5 stitches knit 1 below, purl 1 2 times, knit 1 below, purl 1 1, knit 1 below, purl 1 2, and knit 1 below, knit 1 below, purl 1 1, knit 1 below, purl 1 2, and then knit 1 below. That's the repeat pattern. Purl 5, knit 1 below, purl 1, knit 1 below, purl 1, and knit 1 below. Again, purl 5, 1 2 3 4 5, knit 1 below, purl 1 2 times, 1, knit 1 below, purl 1 2, and knit 1 below. And for the last 10 stitches, purl 5, 1 2 3 4 5, and for the last 5 edge stitches knit 5, 1 2 3 4 5. So we have done row 11 and row 12 here, and now you repeat these 2 rows 11 and 12 3 more times, right? And now I'm gonna repeat these 2 rows 3 more times here. Four, 5, and then knit 1 below, purl 5, start the repeat, 1 2 3 4 5, and purl 1, knit 1 below 2 times, purl 1, knit 1 below, 1, purl 1, knit 1 below, 2, and purl 1. One more repeat, purl 5, 1 2 3 4 5, purl 1, knit 1 below 2 times, purl 1, knit 1 below, 1, purl 1, knit 1 below, 2, and purl 1. And for the last 10 stitches, purl 5, 1 2 3 4 5, and knit 5, 1 2 3 4 5. Row 14, knit as row 12, slip the first stitch and then knit 4, 1 2 3 4. We have done our edge stitches, and then start the repeat. For repeat pattern, purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and knit one below, purl 1 2 times, knit one below, purl 1 1, knit one below, purl 1 2, and then knit one below. These 5 stitches, and then next 5 stitches purl, sorry, we have done one repeat here, and next repeat purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and next 5 stitches knit one below, purl 1 1, knit one below, purl 1 2, and knit one below. And your last 10 stitches purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have done one repeat here, and now we're going to repeat 2 more times, and I'll come back after that. So we're done repeating our row 11 and row 12 3 more times here, say, and we have finished row 18. And now for row 19 you knit all stitches, and row 20, last row, you knit 5 edge stitches and purl all these stitches and knit these 5 edge stitches. So slip the first stitch and then knit 5, 1, 2, sorry, knit 4, 3, 4, and then purl all these stitches. And your last 5 stitches knit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have finished one repeat here. See, we have done our last row, row 20, and now we repeat these 20 rows, your row 1 to row 20, over and over again until you reach your desired length. See. So please give it a thumbs up if you like this pattern, and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.